What if you could shoot film for cheap in 2026? The Kodak EC35 is a point-and-shoot film camera that's super affordable. It's perfect for beginners who want to try film photography in 2026. The EC35 uses 35mm film, easy to find and develop. This little camera is a steal with prices under $20. You can take it anywhere, no fuss, and capture great moments. But how does it compare to other point-and-shoot film cameras? The EC35 has a fixed lens, but that's what keeps it cheap. You might be wondering, what's the image quality like? It's actually pretty good, considering the low price point. The EC35 is a great option for those on a budget in 2026. Just think, you could be shooting film for pennies on the dollar. If this helped you, please like this video, leave a comment, share it with a friend, and subscribe us for daily tips.